Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cutie. Xin chào mọi người đã đến với kênh của mình nha.
In today's video, I'll be reviewing the new vehicle from the Flex Pass. This time is super unique and unusual vehicle. Just one look and it already feels really interesting. And first, let's decorate the vehicle together. Oh, I almost forgot to tell you, its name is Bulldozer nha. Wow, once I put on the glasses, my bulldozer kinda look like Wall-E, right? Alright, now comes the mod full pop. Let's bundle everything with this bulldozer now. Oof, that was just a small technical issue. Let's try again. I really hate people who park in the middle of the road. So, let's push him straight into the river. Next victim. Besides that, this bulldozer had up to 300 durability. So as you can see, the police kept shooting it until they ran out of bullets, and it still wasn't damaged at all. Even 2, 3 RPG shots couldn't do anything to it. Overall, this is very fun and interesting vehicle that was just released. Make sure to wrap your Flex Pass this season so you don't miss it. And also, to celebrate reaching 10,000 views, I'll be doing giveaway up to Flex Passes in today's video. How to join is super simple. Share the video, like the video, comment your ID below. And of course, you must be subscribed to my channel. I will close the giveaway on January 20th and announce the lucky winner in the video as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching.